Oh man, is this thing ever cherry and factory correct? 63 Impala here in Granby, Quebec at the biggest classic car show in Canada, which was on hiatus unfortunately for 3 years due to the COVID. Look at this car, original hubcaps, original type of green. That green, I never remember the name of it, seafoam green or whatever. Oh, it's so cool. It's got the skirts on it, really nice dual antennas. Look, interior is amazing. 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 Did I say it was amazing? Amazing. It's got also the optional, the big bumper guard there. Oh my God, this is the kind of car I would buy easily. It's so damn cool. It's just perfect. You don't change anything on this. You don't need to put mags on. You don't need to tint the windows. You don't need, you know what I mean? Like, it's just awesome the way it is. There's this 60 Buick, one of two 60 Buicks here, right? Which aren't raining, these cars. And I'd like to film either one, but I won't because they both have these freaking mag wheels that don't belong on these cars. They don't look good on these cars. I hate that. I can't stand that. I hate shit like that. That's why I hate the hobby sometimes today. People don't want to leave things alone. If you're gonna put mags on something, put mags that fit the car. Do you see cars like that with mags like this? No, you don't. You never. It's maddening. And why do I get mad? Because I love these things. I love these cars. They're amazing. And they should be, I think like humans, they should be treated accordingly. Like, you know, to how they are. I'm gonna go over here. I'll just go over like this. I'll finish the video proper here. But I guess I'm an old fuddy-duddy, right? I'm a stick in the mud because I like things original. What the hell's wrong with that? You know, I'm going to tell you guys something else before I stop recording. It's a lot harder to restore a car in original factory condition than when it's modified or hot rodded. That's it. So, anyway, I'll give you one last view of this car because it is still beautiful. It's just, again, the wheels. I'm guessing this guy must be Cuban probably.